Do you ever want students to watch videos outside of class and want to know that they watched the video, how much of the video they watched, and also did they really get the key points from the video lesson? If so, you might love EdPuzzle. EdPuzzle allows you to assign a video to students and embed questions along the way that they have to answer. It also tracks their viewing progress and grades the questions as long as you choose a gradable question type. In this video, I'll show you what EdPuzzle can do, how quickly you can get started, and what it will look like for students. So I started by going to edpuzzle.com and creating a teacher account. I then went over to my classes and I created 2 new classes. And tomorrow I'm going to have my students create an EdPuzzle account, and I will invite them to connect to my classes with these class codes, one for each of my courses. So I'm going to click back here on the word EdPuzzle. And when you create video lessons, they are called pieces of content. And so they are stored under My Content. So you can see I have 2 video lessons so far. I'm going to click on one of them just to show you what a completed lesson will look like. So a completed lesson is composed of a video. It could be a video that's already out there. This happens to be a YouTube video. Or it could be a video that you upload yourself, create and upload yourself. And then I embedded some questions in my video along the way. I embedded 6 questions. And you can see that I have a question embedded at 1 minute and 44 seconds, 2 minutes and 29 seconds, etc. An open-ended question, this question just basically says, what do you think is going to happen? And so it makes the students type in what they think is going to happen, but that's not a graded question because it's open-ended. But then, after it happened, there was a multiple choice question that what happened and why that they have to get correct, or that at least will be graded. So when the students play the video back, they're going to watch the video, and every time the video gets to one of these, I'll call them teardrop questions, the student has to respond to the prompt before they will be able to continue watching the video. And then I just made sure that my last question really checked for student understanding. Did they get the main point of the video lesson? But let me show you how easy it is to create this. So I'm going to go back to EdPuzzle. I'm going to go back to My Content, and I'm going to add content. Add content means basically import a video. You can upload one from your own computer, or you can create a video from a video that's already out there on the internet. That's what I did, create a video. So I'm going to get my video from, I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to get mine from YouTube. And so I'm going to slide down a little bit more until it says See More. When I click See More, it brings up the YouTube search bar. So I already found my video on YouTube. It's right here. And so now I'm going to put that in the search bar, and now it's going to import that YouTube video into the EdPuzzle interface. So when you have the video here, you can crop the video under Cut, meaning you can shorten the front or the back end, or you can cut pieces out of the middle if you want to shorten the video and hone in on just the part that you want to show in class. You could also do a voiceover where you mute the sound of the video and you talk on top of it, or you can add questions, or all 3 of them, but I focused on the adding questions. So basically, to add the question, I'm just going to play my video, and as my video is playing, I'm going to find the spot where I'd like to add a question. Let's say it's right now. I'm going to stop. I'm going to add a multiple choice question. So I'll say sample question. And then I have to type in my correct answer. I'll type in an incorrect answer, and maybe you want to add some more incorrect answers also. Then you click Save.
Einstein.
When you click Save, your question becomes a little teardrop, and you can drag your teardrop where you want the question to be. So you can see my video, or my teardrop here, my question currently is embedded at 52 seconds. But if I click on the teardrop, it brings this up that allows you to edit your multiple choice question if you need to, but maybe more importantly, if you click on this, you can get the exact location down to the second of where you would like this question to be embedded. And I find this super helpful. So in some sense, I just kind of click anywhere and type in my questions, and then I go back and I play the video and I look for the exact second where I would like these questions to be embedded. And then I continue.
John, what do you think is going to happen? Well,
and I keep stopping and I keep embedding my questions until I like it. So I embedded 6 questions and then I clicked finish. And that was it. And then once I clicked finish, so I just created this third one, which is my sample one, which I'm going to delete because I don't want this one. So in the free version of EdPuzzle, you can only store 20 videos, which is not very many. And then you have to upgrade to a pro account, which you could get through your school, or an individual teacher. The pro account looks like, I think it's about like $11 a month. But I do plan to ask for a pro account, and also you can embed EdPuzzle also directly within Schoology, but that has to be done at the district administration level, and I plan to look into that also. Anyways, I love it and I plan to use it a lot.